What if I stopped studying and let AI do everything for me? No rereading notes, no wasting hours, just AI as my assistant. So I tested it. For one full day, every time I needed to study or prepare for an exam, I used AI. First, I gave the AI my notes, all the content, no filters. Whenever I didn't understand something, I asked the AI to explain it in simple words, step by step, like a private tutor available anytime. This alone saved me hours. Next, I asked the AI to organize everything: summaries, key ideas, clear structure, no messy notes, no overload, only what actually matters. Then came the most important part: testing myself. I asked the AI to create quizzes based on my notes, so I could see exactly what I knew and what I didn't. No guessing, no false confidence. When I failed a question, I reviewed that topic again with AI and repeated the process. By the end of the day, everything was clear. AI didn't replace my brain. It didn't magically make me smarter, but it removed confusion. It removed wasted time. AI versus human is not a competition. The real advantage is human plus AI. Most students are still studying the hard way. You don't have to. If you want to learn how to study smarter using AI, check the other videos on this channel where I explain the full methods step by step. If you like this video, please leave a like. Subscribe to AI Study Lab, share this video with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one.